Welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with Blues here. Daddy Jack's, 181 Bank Street. We got my man Ty right here. So we're making orange chicken, Grand Marnier chicken. So just a little salt and pepper on each one, lightly floured. Okay. Yeah. You know the drill over here. Okay, we don't want a whole lot of color on it. Right over here, Ty. So, and before it melts all the way, we're gonna go a nice light okay, and I have an orange here. We're going to use the zest. Always wash your orange and lemons, limes, grapefruit. They sit. Sometimes there's a moldy one in the box and the dust gets on it, the diesel dust gets on it. So always wash your citrus. Any kind of fruit. Really. So we're going to julienne this. Instead of real long string, they'll go a little bit up of an angle. Take it nice and slow. Watch your fingers. Okay. And I don't want much more color than this right here. So I'm going to dump off a little bit of the excess. Let the citrus work a little bit. I'm going to use just a little bit of neutral flavor. A little bit of white wine right now. Just to slow it down a little bit. Use a fresh orange. Okay. Hey, Rich. Grand Marnier. Take it off the fire.
That's a secret ingredient?
Well, let's see. I told Corey just a little bit, but I don't know why he's always got a darn Corey. Look at a nice color, Glenn.
That's good.
All right?
It smells great.
And then we'll finish it. A little bit of butter. It's a delicate, you know, like, it's a real delicate flavor. Ty, you give me a round plate? You want to try it, Rich?
Yeah,
Huh? Come on back. Hey, baby girl. Oh, I miss you.
no more vacations.
Ain't that good? No more vacations.
Look how dark he is, too.
He looks
oh my,
good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let Rachel have a piece of this, and then one for you each.
What is it?
Grand Marnier chicken.
Is that what you just took a shot of?
Huh? Yeah, I don't even think you need a knife.
Oh my god. Okay.
One more plate. salt or pepper.
I don't think so. You really outdone yourself.
That's yours right there, Rach. Then Paul and Glenn. I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce. So, you don't mind I pour a little of this?
Oh, no. The more the better.
A little bit of white wine, instead of adding a little water, just a little something with just to create the sauce. Caught me, Glenn.
I caught you.
See what I do sometimes? I chase it around. See it pick up all the heat off the side of the skillet. Everything reduces down quicker. So we're looking for the right consistency now. See the bubbles when the liquid's cooking off? Right there. You know what? That doesn't even need green onions.
No.
Glenn.
No.
That's one dish. It's too pretty to put green onions on. The Daddy Jacks go with the blues. Good to be back in New London. I left at 15-degree weather and went down to Naples, Florida. I'm going to write about that in Soundwaves magazine for next month. swaves.com. Tell you all the hot spots to go if you're in Naples, Florida. And Glenn Peltier at camera, his lovely wife Paula Orsini. Orsini sausage family goes back 3 generations here on Shaw Street, where a big Italian neighborhood was, and Fort Trumbull and all that. Beautiful downtown New London. We got ferry boats come into the islands, Amtrak. 95 comes right through here going between New York and Boston. Come and visit us. Peace.